Alrighty, so we have made it down to the fishing spot, the inlet, and today I'm going to be using a Blue Fox Flash inline spinner. I believe this is a size 0, but I could be wrong, so I will do some research and leave it in the description. But inline spinners are one of my go-to lures when it comes to this location, because while there is a very large swamp to fish in, I usually end up fishing in a very small area that is maybe 10 feet wide and 20 to 30 feet long. I'm actually coming up to it right now. I have my fingers crossed that I'll be able to catch something out of here, because earlier there were a couple of Amish folk down here trying to catch some bait, some very small bass and whatever else that they can hook up and catch something bigger. But here we are, let's give it a shot. Alrighty, so not having any luck over in my little puddle. I guess we're gonna try out the swamp here, but I was running short on time, so I was unable to grab one of my bigger rods, so we're just gonna have to make do with this little 5-foot ultralight. Oh, whoa! That's why you should be careful when you're yanking on your line there with a stuck lure. Well, at least I didn't have to go get it. And I got it back. The issue with these spinners is as soon as this green slime gets in there, he does not want to go, this little spinner, the blade. Alright. Well, I'm happy. I caught a fish. It's about the time where I'm leaving, about to be the time where I'm leaving, so, hey, at least I got one. Hey, I want to show you off, but I'm not going to be able to if I lose you. Oh, yeah. Look at that trophy. Now, this is a pumpkinseed. You can tell by that little red dot on top of my thumb. I can't really indicate anything because of how small this guy is, but look at that. Nice little pumpkinseed. Alright, off we go, back into the water. Oh, and that face, that beautiful blue face. And off you go. Pumpkinseed, for some reason, are just aggressive little guys. I'll go with a few more casts, maybe give it 5 minutes, and then that's gonna be it for today. Man, today I just can't win. So, as you can tell, it's pretty late now compared to when I was fishing. And what ended up happening was I got home, I'm starting to edit together the video, and then I come to the end and I need an outro, and my phone's dead, and I use my phone to record this sort of stuff. So then I had to charge my phone, and I did catch a fish, but for the most part no fish. But it was still a good day. I was very happy when I did catch that fish, and on top of that I was able to show you guys more of what the Conesus Inlet is all about, you know, with all those drone shots. So I really enjoy having the drone as well as just getting nature shots in general, because I feel like I work outside all day and I see all of these, like this tree behind me, just flowers all over it, you know, and it's a beautiful thing. But when I'm working all day, I'm not paying attention to any of it. Not the smallest bit of attention is going to all the small stuff around me. And so with the drone, it kind of, you know, I go searching for those really cool shots. And I mean, I could definitely work on my drone footage, that's for sure. But it's really cool. I'm really glad that I invested in a drone, because it's definitely helping me see and appreciate a bit more where it is that I am fishing, as well as just nature around me. And I hope it's doing the same for you, because honestly that's pretty much what the whole video was about today. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next one. Looks like I should have gave up while I was ahead, huh? Well, biggest catch of the day.